10 wide restaurants around the world. Number 1. Etha Undersea Restaurant, which is located at Rangoli Island in Maldives. This resort is a gorgeous and intimate underwater restaurant, and its seating capacity is 14 people. It is more than 16 feet below sea level. Opened in 2005, the all-glass restaurant has a menu consisting of fresh seafood, beef rib eye, veal and other gourmet dishes. Encased in a transparent arc-light roof, the restaurant offers its dinners a 270-degree panoramic view of sea creatures swimming in the Maldives, crystal clear waters, while a scenic point coasting protects Etha's steel structure from corrosion. The saltwater and marine growth adhering to the paint will eventually break it down. Make a reservation while you will still can. Number 2 is Ninja, New York, which is located at New York City, USA. In a review in the New York Times, Frank Bruni describes Ninja New York as a kooky, dreary, subterranean labyrinth. You are greeted here by servers in black costumes who ceaselessly bow, regularly yelp, and ever so occasionally tumble. Designed to look like a 15th century Japanese feudal village, full of dark nooks and snaking passageways, you will dine amongst stealthy warriors, the waiters who romp, and perform tricks, all the while serving sushi and steak. Just call it Japanese fare mixed with martial arts fare at its best. And number 3 is Dinner in the Sky, which is located at Canada in Montreal. Got an appetite for high altitude? Originating in Belgium, the concept involves a crane hoisting guests who are securely strapped into dining chairs 160 feet up in the air, along with a table, weight, stuff, and everything that's required to enjoy a meal floating above the ground. The novelty-based mobile restaurant has gained popularity worldwide and is now offered for limited run periods in cities around the globe, including Montreal. Number 4 is Redwoods Treehouse, which is situated at New Zealand in Warkworth. Built in 2008, the pot-shaped structure is situated over 32 feet above the ground in the redwood tree in the town of Warkworth, north of Auckland. Diners access the venue via an elevated treetop walkway built of redwood milled on site. The striking venue is used exclusively for private functions and events with a capacity of 30 guests. Number 5 is Cat Cafe, Nekorobi, which is situated at Tokyo in Japan. Now this is an unusual, shall we say different, way to have a coffee break. Nekorobi is a hip cat cafe located in the entertainment district of Ikiburko, where you can spend time with friends of the feline kind. Patrons enter through modern glass doors into a dimly lit joint where cats prowl and sprawl out, and where a drinks dispenser vending machine offers a variety of hot and cold beverages, including coffee, royal milk, tea, green tea, and instant miso soup. Visit in the evening and you will have a chance to witness the dinner time ritual where the kitters feast on a cat food in glass food bowls arranged in a circle around a floor lamp. For feline lovers, this place is no doubt the cat's meow. Number 6 is Safe House, which is located at Milwaukee in USA. This Midwestern US restaurant has a rather nondescript exterior, but that seems to be precisely the point. Everything related to the spy-themed restaurant is based on the CIA definition of a safe house, which is meant to be seemingly innocent premise where an intelligence organization could conduct its covert operations in relative security. Now, where will you find a sign advertising safe house, and you have need to know the password to enter the establishment. If you ever find yourself in Milwaukee, this top secret restaurant is worth seeking out. Though remember, you didn't hear it from us. Number 7 is Modern Toilet. Taipei City, Taiwan Province, People's Republic of China. The idea for this odd restaurant was conceived by one of the owners while he was reading while sitting, where else, on a toilet. Initially, it only sold chocolate ice cream in containers shaped like a squat toilet, but once the humorous spin became a great success, a full-fledged bathroom-themed eatery emerged. Today, Modern Toilet is a chain with locations across Asia, and it has plans for further expansion. If the idea piques your curiosity, drop in to have a seat at one of the non-working toilets, where meals are served in toilet bowl shaped dinnerware. Number 8 is Dikas, which is located in Netherlands in Amsterdam. Less weird than amazing, imagine a restaurant where the menu selections are prepared using the freshest possible ingredients, and by freshest we mean harvested in the field at sunrise of the same day you are dining there. Welcome to Dikas, an old greenhouse in Amsterdam that was due to be demolished in 2001 but was saved by an ambitious Michelin star chef, Gert Jan Hegman, who converted the unique 26-foot high glass building into a restaurant and nursery. Mediterranean vegetables, herbs and edible flowers are grown and harvested at the greenhouse and garden near the restaurant, and Hegman can be found in Dikas industry daily, working the soil, planting, weeding and harvesting herbs and vegetables. Number 9. The Bubble Room. It is situated at Florida in Captive Island. Opened in 1979, this eclectic restaurant decorated with classic toys from the 1930s and 1940s started as a small one-room eatery and today has grown into a multi-themed restaurant occupying all three stories of the house. It originated in staff are known as Bubble Scouts, each wearing a different crazy hat. Moving trains are all on 3 floors and photographs of old-time movie scenes and stairs adorn every available wall space. It's always Christmas at the Bubble Room. The theme made evident by the presence of the many Father Christmases, the Elf Room, and year-round Christmas lights. Music from the 1920s to 1940s serves as the restaurant's soundtrack, and the bright and cheerful pastel colors of the venue make it a near hallucinatory experience. Favorites on the current menu are original items offered since the restaurant's early days, such as Socra cheese, a cheese served flamed tableside, bubble beard, and many of the colossal sized desserts. And number 10, Au Noir. This is located in Canada at Toronto. Dining in the dark has been around for quite some time abroad, but the concept was only first introduced in Canada in 2006 with the opening of Au Noir in Montreal and then a second location in Toronto in 2009. Au Noir's philosophy is that a dinner's enjoyment is amplified when his sight is eliminated, as the other scenes become heightened. Flashlights, cell phones, and luminous watches are prohibited from the dark during establishment. The evening starts in a lit bar where guests place their orders, then they are led by a server into an until dining room where a 2-hour seated dinner services begins with servers explaining where everything is placed on the table. This novel experience certainly puts a new spin on the term blind date.